You're watching EAC News. Thank you for joining us. The investment and advisory firm Mekong Strategic Partners says Cambodia will be able to reopen its economy to attract investment and tourists much earlier than its neighbours. It released a report on Tuesday entitled Vaccination Nation, hailing what it described as Cambodia's remarkable vaccine rollout that is dramatically outperforming that of even some developed countries. As EAC News reporter Reo Soko explains, Mekong Strategic Partners believes this means a faster post-pandemic recovery for the kingdom.
A well-strategized and rapidly executed COVID-19 vaccination rollout has resulted in Cambodia being amongst the global leaders for vaccinations. This is what Mekong Strategic Partners have declared in their report titled Vaccination Nation, Unmasking Cambodia's Vaccination Success. It makes a vaccination comparison between Cambodia and its neighbors, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, and Malaysia. It says that Cambodia's vaccination success is reflected in falling case numbers and a declining number of deaths. It has added that Cambodia is now one of the first countries in the world to be rolling out booster shots and vaccinating children, which could mean that the country may reopen soon. Mekong Strategic Partners John McKinley told EAC News from the Netherlands that although they are seeing the likelihood of Cambodia reopening soon, that'll be a decision taken by the government.
We feel that it is obviously ultimately it's a decision for the Cambodian government to decide. We feel, given the kind of outstanding job and the situation that's occurred in Cambodia, we feel very strongly that it's likely to be much further in advance of the neighbours. So we look at our sort of estimates on timeline is that by the end of September, over 70% of the population, including over 12s, will be vaccinated. So we think this, Cambodia is years ahead of the neighbours, unfortunately, who we anticipate will also accelerate in time. But if you were to look at Vietnam, for them to reach the same period of coverage, they have another year to go. So we would think potentially that the government may want to review the situation as we hit that benchmark of 70%, including over 12s in maybe early October. Late September, it should be achieved.
The report says the economic evidence also shows that high vaccination rates improve economic outlooks as well as health outcomes, with Cambodia on track for GDP growth above 6% in 2022. Rhea Soko, EAC News.